guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we learn about the basics of C Sharp. Uh, C Sharp is a OOPS language where you can implement uh, OOPS concept like classes and objects. These can implemented using C Sharp. It is developed by Microsoft and which is runs on a .NET platform. Uh, this is mainly used for desktop applications and website and web applications, gaming, and for other purposes. In this video, our goal is to implement simple C# program and understand the basics of it. Yeah, let's go to Visual Studio. I have already opened Visual Studio. We can create go to create new project and write console applications to create. But I already created. I'll start with it. Here we learn. We have created a class called program. Inside program, there is a main method. This is the entry point of the this application. Here we have to print it. We have written console.WriteLine. Console is a class and WriteLine is a method. But in recent version, uh, they have removed everything. This has they have been included already in the .NET. They are wrapping up this thing. I'll run and show it how it is works. It's building. Build succeeded. If any syntax error or anything, it will fail here. See, it has printed with hello world. Let's go and modify the code. Let's copy this console line and I'll keep it console.WriteLine. That's it. I don't keep that main method because in recent after C# 9 they updated, they have removed that main entry point because that is a common code. That's why they have removed it. Let's see whether it works or not. Yeah, see, even this is works. So in after C# version, they are modified and no need to write main method and all. Yeah, that's it in this video. Thank you. Thank you guys.